the sound of this baby? You got many that'll do what this does? It's a 1958 John Deere 620. I'm the second owner of it, and I know for a fact that this is the actual number of hours on it because it was my father-in-law's. And I'll tell you what it is right now. 2,786 hours on this baby. Original hours, folks. Again, this one is awful nice for a 1958. So, it's got the 3-point. Not a lot of them had the 3 points. It's also got something special if you're a collector. How many of yours have this square frame on the wide front? And it's an original from the factory. So, check it out. It's in very nice shape. Got power steering on it. It's got the easy ride seat. It's got I tell you, I worked for IH, so I put them on an IH radio, and it's been there since the 60s, and it's all AM. So there you got a little special gift besides the big tractor. So come see it, come listen to it. She's good from end to end. In fact, I was telling the camera operator here, I am tempted to hook it on our rotary cutter before the sale so I get my work done on your time and your tractor. So come see it, come get it. Thank you.